So I'm going to show you how to use PotionAds to basically generate AI UGC for yourself. So it's going to be very, very easy. I'm just going to show you exactly how to do it and how to do it in 5 minutes as well. Okay. So for example, once you log into the software, right, um, you will go into this video generation tab here. So I choose the first one, image to video. All right. So if you're unsure, you can watch this tutorial. If not, follow along right here. Okay. So right now, I want to generate a 1080p vertical video right here. I don't want to choose anything else because I want the best quality so far. Okay, and the product that I'm going to market today is I'm going to this beauty product right here. So this is a collagen jelly cream tub right here, and basically I put it into Canva already, and I've created a custom size canvas over here that is this format over here. So if you want a 1080p format, you want to create a Canva file that is 1024 1792. Okay, so just to show you, this is what it looks like. If you don't know how to do that, just go to Canva, get a free account. You can press custom size over here, and then you can see you can 1024 1792 create new design. Once you have a new design, you can just drop in a high quality image of your product right here. Okay, so I'm gonna generate two images, or I'm gonna use two products right here. So I have this sunscreen over here that I'm going to generate later on as well, because I want to I want a video of this as well. So this is a sunscreen, very, very popular sunscreen product right here. Let me just save the image. Gonna press download, and then I'm going to just create one more Canva over here, and we're gonna drag the product in. I want to increase the size so that at least they know. And then I'm gonna download these two. So I'm just gonna download in a JPEG format. I'm gonna change it to quality 100, and I'm just gonna ensure it's 1024 1792 over here. Okay. After I press download, then the thing should download right here. Okay. So I'm just gonna save, gonna replace. All right, and then yeah, I'm just gonna wait for it to download over here. Okay, when I'm back into my PotionAds here, I'm gonna drop the image into this app over here. Okay, so just give me 1 second. Okay, so I'm gonna drop in my image, and then we just wait for it to upload. And okay, successfully uploaded. Once it's successfully uploaded, I'm going to insert a text prompt over here. Okay, so I can these are some of the prompts that I've created in the past. Okay, but if you are unsure what prompt to create, you actually can go into the prompt builder, and it will actually build out you a prompt. It will actually generate everything for you, so it's easy for you. Okay, so okay, let me just select from gallery once again. Okay, use selected image. Okay, so this is an image of a collagen beauty tub cream. Okay, I just want it iPhone UGC style handheld selfie, etc. I want a 45-year-old brunette here, right? And then she's at home, for example, she's holding the phone in one hand, like a iPhone UGC style. And I want her to say this script right here. I've been using it for 2 days. It's a bit sticky, blah, blah, blah. People have been complimenting me, telling me my skin looks great and youthful. Okay, and then I just have some other prompts here as well. Okay, so yeah, if you are lazy to write your own prompt, you can go to the prompt builder. If not, I'll just use this prompt for the time being. All right, so I'm going to select a 12-second image, and just to check, okay, it's the correct dimensions over here. And when I'm done, I'm just going to press generate video. Okay, so what the software does is that it starts generating the video in the background, and because it takes about 5 to 6 minutes, honestly, you can see over here. So I'm going to generate the next image at this point in time. Okay. Okay, so I'm ready to upload my next image over here, which is basically this very famous sunscreen, whatever this is. So this is a Beauty of Joseon product right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to upload an image of my product over here. And then you can see it's accepted my image. All right. And then I'm going to start typing in a new prompt. Okay. So I'm going to say, this is an image of a ginseng eye serum. Can you create a video of a supermodel woman who is blonde Okay. Superwoman who is blonde, who is applying. Okay, I kind of call it a bottle. Can you create a video of a superwoman who is blonde, who is applying uh, the cream, I'll say the serum, to her eyes? She is at a photo shoot. She is very attractive. Okay. Superwoman who is 45 years old, right? So if I'm gonna market my product over here, I'm assuming this is anti-aging in some sense, and so I want to sell to the older crowd. So I want a 45-year-old woman over here. I want her to be Caucasian as well. Who's applying the serum to she's very attractive, and then she is also enjoying the process as the the serum is soothing to her skin. All right. Okay, so I just want to make sure one more time. Okay, I'm just checking. I'm using this model over here. All right, and I'm gonna press generate video. Okay, so as it generates the video, you can see it takes quite a while, about 5-6 minutes or so. So I'll kind of cut the video from here. But where do I actually go and see where the video is? So I'm able to see it here when it's processing. So I'm able to stack multiple generations at one point in time, at any point in time. And so yeah, you can basically go and do your own work and stuff like that, and just wait for the video to basically generate as well. Okay, I'm going to show you some examples of some videos that we've generated in the past. So, for example, working with this brand that is like Wonder Cow, for example. So, Wonder Cow, I'll just show you guys. Wonder Cow is basically a colostrum supplement, basically. And what they do is that, yeah, they basically sell powders and gummies and stuff like that over here, right? So, this is what's happening for colostrum, right? So this is basically the prompt that I gave. This is an image of colostrum powder tub, blah, blah, blah. Young 25-year-old woman, stuff like that. Okay, so I'm going to let you watch the video and see for yourself. Yeah, so I basically gave her a script to basically say, and yeah, within this 12 seconds, she's basically saying it. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it. If you need to download your videos, you can just come in here and just press the download button over here. Okay, I'm going to show you another example of another supplement brand over here. So this one is a photo of a supplement bottle, and then I want a 50-year-old Texas man wearing a hat with a beard, and he's basically talking about liver health at this point in time. Okay, so I'm just going to press watch over here. Yeah. Okay, so you can see like you can generate like some really realistic stuff, and what I want to do is I want to basically download a bunch of these. I can chop it up, and then maybe I push it to Final Cut, or CapCut or Premiere Pro, etc., and I'm going to edit my entire ad basically. Yeah, but you can get a couple of these clips. You can create very realistic ads, and then that will basically help you improve your ROAS, increase your ad spend, etc. Okay, so I want to show you the prompt feature while we're waiting for this thing right here. So imagine I'm super lazy, right? I just want you to generate me a specific prompt, right? So I'm going to do it for this Beauty of Joseon product. So I'm going to call it an eye serum or a ginseng eye serum right here. Okay, so I'm just going to say I want a ginseng eye serum, and then I want an supermodel who is 45 years old, clearly shows age, um, to use the product. Yep. Additional details, maybe she's at a photo shoot. And then style, this is optional, so you don't have to do it if you don't want, but I'll just put like cinematic, for example. Okay, so then afterwards I'll just press generate prompt. Okay, and so in the background, the AI is going to help you do its thing, and so it's going to generate an optimized prompt for you, so that you can basically take that prompt and then you can push it into one of the video generation tabs immediately. Yeah, it takes quite a while, but you can see like when they actually do generate for you, for example, like it's quite comprehensive prompt, right? So feel free to obviously change some of the stuff here. But if you want it, for example, I can just copy the clipboard and I can go to the tab. If I want to use this prompt immediately, I can press use this prompt, and then I can go into the video generation, and you can see the prompt is basically, yeah, I just paste it in here immediately, right? So it's quite easy for you to basically switch between this as well. Okay, if I want to improve an existing prompt, for example, right? So if I just have some idea of what I want, and then I want the AI to basically improve it, then this is where I go as well. So I want a supermodel to show off a ginseng serum product. Make it hyper realistic. Um, make it luxurious, like as if we are at a photo shoot, right? So, for example, if you're not really good at writing, and you have a couple of ideas, you kind of know what you want, but you don't like writing it all out, right? I want to improve my existing ideas, basically. Okay, so I want you to expand my ideas here. Obviously, maybe I want to give you more context as well and stuff. Yeah, but I'm just gonna press improve prompt over here. So what the AI will do is you'll take your initial idea, you'll try to expand it, and then you can get a full prompt, and you can use that prompt to basically use for the video generation as well, or your photo generation at the same time, right? So yeah, if you're just generally a lazy person, this would probably be quite useful for you. Yeah. Yeah, so let's just wait for the AI to finish its thing. Okay, you can see from a very small idea, right? You're basically, we're trying to stretch your idea as much as possible, and then it allows the AI to basically take all of that data and then ingest it into the video model, and then it will generate and spit out what you want, right? So obviously you can feel free to obviously change whatever it is. If you want to copy the clipboard, you can. If you want to use this prompt and go to the tab as well, you can as well. Okay, so yeah, we try to make it as easy for you as possible to create high quality footage. But if you have any requests as well, like feel free to let us know. We're always trying to improve our product for you guys as well. Okay, so hopefully the videos are ready. Okay, if not, I'll see you in a bit. Now the video generations are done. If you don't believe me about the time, so now it's about 10:58 p.m. So you can check the time from just now. But yeah, it's basically about 5 to 6 minutes or so to generate, and I've generated two, so it's about maybe 10 minutes or so. Yeah, so we're gonna watch the videos at this point in time. Yeah, so let's watch the first one for the collagen jelly cream. Okay, so I'm not sure if you guys are listening to the audio or the audio is available on your side. Yeah, but the woman is speaking. She's speaking in a British accent and stuff like that. But you can see it's a realistic UGC video where you can take this video and you basically run ads. You can also use this and then you put it as a video testimonial on your product page and stuff like that. So it enabled you to have higher conversions per se. Yeah. Okay, so that's the first video right over here. The next video, let's take a look. Okay, yeah. So this is the video right here. If you're aware, or if you've been marketing skincare, for example, I think you're very well aware that like hiring 45-year-old plus models are very expensive in general. Yeah. So if you are able to iterate very fast, if you're able to generate a bunch of these, and then you start able to use them into your ads, for example, right? Then yeah, it's really great for you because it's a very easy process at the same time. Yeah. So that's basically it. That's the video demo that I wanted to show you. And yeah, you can see from start to finish, I don't really have to understand code, do a lot of technical things. If I'm lazy, I still can even use the prompt builder to write. But yeah, this is how you generate videos for e-commerce at the same time. Yeah, so over time, we do plan to increase the capability of our models, make sure that the quality gets better, as well as the ability to generate longer videos. That's also a priority for us. So yeah, if you want to try it out, try out PotionAds.com. Yeah.